Ready for the big screen! With the optional BMW Theatre Screen with Amazon Fire TV built in, you can stream media online or play it from connected HDMI devices on the 31.3-inch display in the rear seat lounge of your BMW 7 Series or BMW i7. For data reception, you need the BMW Personal eSIM. Watch our other how-to video to learn how to set up your personal eSIM. Or get the BMW accessory SIM reader. Now let's get your Amazon Fire TV ready with an active personal eSIM. Use the touch commands to open up the theatre screen, either in theatre mode for a cinematic atmosphere, or just by folding it down. The setup menu starts automatically. Choose your language. Wait for updates if needed. And select if you already have an Amazon account or create a new one. Now switch to your mobile device to sign in to your Amazon account at amazon.com/code or sign in directly via your Amazon login credentials. Activate Amazon Fire TV in your BMW by entering the activation code on your mobile device. Create your program by choosing available streaming apps and download them to your Fire TV menu. For each individual taste, set up and edit different user profiles. All prepared for great theatre moments. Watch our other how-to video about controlling your BMW Theatre Screen with Amazon Fire TV built in. And continue watching our how-to series to get the most out of your BMW.